This morning, before I left for a doctor's appointment, I put the pot roast in. I pan-seared it on all sides to get a nice seasoning to it. I put in baby carrots, whole red potatoes, and 4 cups of beef broth, and I think it was 4 ounces of red wine. But it's looking good. It's come along pretty good. There's 3 pieces of roast in here about this size that's stacked up in here. So we'll have plenty to eat. Okay, we're far enough into the cooking that I'm going to add in my celery that I diced up last evening in preparation, and I have my white pearl onions that I'm going to put in. I put so much stuff in here that hopefully it will fit. I'm taking a chance here. I'm living on the wild side, about to overflow this thing. Alright, I've got the celery in. Now I'm going to put the onions in. I probably won't put the whole bag in, because it is quite a few. Get them into the liquid. These onions are going to bring the temp down a little bit because they're frozen. So they'll have to come back up to the proper temperature, but we have enough time on the cooking of it. Alright, I'm going to put a few pepperoncinis down in here. I'm not going to do too much because I don't know how everybody is about it. And I know I've cooked it with about a half a jar of pepperoncinis before, and it did make a little bit on the spicy side, so I'm not going to overwhelm people. Pour a little juice. I think that should be enough. I'll stir this in.
And I'm Debbie with Two Sisters Southern Cooking. We thank you for visiting our page.